What is up guys, my name is Chase and welcome to my man cave. So this video has been a really long time coming. To be honest, I just wanted to get this entertainment center to a place where it looks nice enough that I can show you guys on video. So I guess starting off over here, this is a little Walmart shelf that I got 6 or 7 years ago. It used to be where I keep all my games, but since I've been running out of room to put all my games over here, I put it on that shelf over there. So now this is where I keep all of my like video game figurines or whatever, all the stupid nerdy stuff. We have my amiibos, we have some Funko Pop figures and some Lego figures and all that stuff. This is also where I keep kind of the miscellaneous games, you know, a lot of the retro stuff. We have my NES collection, my Super NES collection, and then the N64 games are in that little wooden tray thing. So in other words, this is just kind of where I keep the stuff that I don't really need anymore. Anyway, I guess since we're talking about shelves, let's go to the other shelf. I'm honestly really proud of this shelf, man. Like, this has been like such a long time in the making. If you guys have been watching for a long time, you may have known that originally I had this shelf for all of my Funko Pop figures. It used to take up this entire shelf, you know, like there was just so many freaking Funko Pop figures. But eventually I got sick of it, and since I was running out of space on this shelf to keep all my games, I figured, why not put it on this bigger shelf? So at the top I have all of the DVDs and Blu-rays. Then we have all of the most recent games, you know, Switch, Xbox, and PS4. Then it goes to my Wii U games, which I honestly think I might have to get rid of soon. Same with the Wii games, and then finally the GameCube games. GameCube games though, those are some top-notch games, man. And then we have some books, because every so often I do like to read books. Then at the very bottom we have all of my vinyl record collection stuff. So this is basically a giant media center. I love physical media, so like having all of these on a shelf is just, it's really awesome. I love it. And then finally we have like, I guess this is like the main attraction of my little man cave here. This is our little entertainment setup. We have a Samsung 55-inch TV. We also have the Polk Audio 2.1 channel audio system. I did my unboxing of it a while ago, and so far I think it's fine. If I'm being like brutally honest here, it didn't blow me away or anything, but it's nice to have the sound projecting towards you while you sit on the couch rather than the TV speakers, which are behind the TV. But anyway, sorry. And then on the bottom of the TV stand here, this is like my favorite part of the whole setup. I have all of our consoles lined up here. We have the Xbox One S, we have the PlayStation Slim with the little PSVR box thing. And then underneath that, we have every single Nintendo home console, which I'm honestly really happy to see every time I sit here. It just makes me happy to see all of these consoles lined up next to each other, from the NES all the way to the Wii U. And then over here, this is a little like cubby hole type thing. We have the Switch, of course, with my little dock cover. We have my PlayStation VR stand. We have the Amazon Echo Show 5, I think it's called. I mainly just use it as a clock, to be honest. And then in these little like storage boxes, the top, I like to keep all of the Nintendo controllers. You know, we have GameCube controllers, we have the Switch Pro controllers and all that stuff. So that's cool. And then on the bottom is everything else. Xbox controllers, PlayStation controllers. And besides that, I think that is everything we have to show here. I just really like this setup. Like, it's seriously just so much fun to sit here and play whatever video games I want to play. I'm very lucky to have all these things, and very lucky obviously to have such a cool little setup here. But I guess that is all I have to say for now. Thank you guys for watching this video. Feel free to let me know what you guys think in the comments. And while you're doing that, feel free to like this video and subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, all that fun stuff. For now, my name is Chase, and I will see you guys again soon. Bye.